Hi, this is Peter here with Tom and Rita. We're going to do a stock pick. We're going to look at 5 stocks as well as the index, the Dow Jones index that is. So we'll be looking at AXP, DD, GE, KO and MRK. So today is the 9th of March 2014 and I'll hand you over to Tom Williams.
Right, thank you, Peter. Thank you, Rita. Tom Williams here. We're doing our newsletter from Worthing, usual place. Now we have, first of all, we have the Dow Jones Industrial Average up, right? And you should, well, you must trade in harmony with the index. If you want to trade stocks successfully, then you've got to trade in harmony with the index. Now I'm only going to give a brief look at this chart. If you want a more detailed examination of this, read my newsletter, which is up on the where is it, Peter? Sorry, it's up on the VSA Club, and that will give you far more detail. It's very interesting, I think. But the chart is making heavy going to the upside. Note we are above those trend lines, therefore we are overbought. It is finding trouble getting up. They keep having testing and shakeout, trying to generate higher prices. The last 2 days on the chart, we do note that there's a bit of no demand there. So you would expect this index or this market to drift off a bit somewhat. But it'd be a good idea to read that newsletter because there's a lot of valuable information in there about this Dow Jones. So what's the next chart, Pete? AXP. Oh, American Express, of course. Now, I think we recommended this before. Well, we have, I remember. Now, that's shooting up there. There's not a lot. Now, why is it shooting up? Because of testing, look. Right, there's one, look, whenever you see these down bars, narrow spread, close near the middle, low volume, that's going up. And there's another one there, look, this is a shakeout in harmony with the index. Not to mention further down here. But that's a good solid stock. That's acting stronger than the index. And we recommended this some time ago, I remember. Next one, Peter.
Okay, this one is DD, which is DuPont.
DuPont, beautiful stock, a big, powerful stock. An old, established stock. Because I remember we used to trade this, DuPont. Again, look, it's been going up. Admittedly, you've got a down bar here, but note, we've got a green box here. No supply, look. And that's why it's on our list to keep an eye on. And again, you see, why has it gone up? Because look, shakeout, testing. Read the newsletter. It tells you all about that. Next one. General Electric GE. Now again, our main criteria is that we note it's no heavy volume on up bars, and we do have this shakeout which was in harmony with the index. Look, the index shook out, gapped up like this, done deliberately, to stop people getting in and possibly push through any supply that might be on these highs here. See, remember that whenever you get a high to the left, there will be hundreds, if not thousands, of traders locked in there, and they weren't too happy when they see these falls. So to prevent them selling, they gap it up as quickly as possible through that area, look. So that those people there, they look at it at the end of the day and think, oh, I'm going to hang on to this now. And that's what they want. So that one you certainly should keep an eye on. KO, Coca-Cola. This has been going up again. Look, there's the test. We've told you many times, when you see a red arrow in a rising market and it's tested, that means almost certainly higher prices. And notice how they gap it up. And there's no real high volume look on any up bars to say the supplies hit this. So that's well worth watching as well. MRK Merck. Now, I'm sure that stands for. Is it health provider? I'll be quite honest, I don't know this one. But again, we've got these fantastic shakeouts with harmony with the index. Look, up it goes, testing. Right, it's acting as strong as the index. There's no ultra high volume on any up bars to indicate that there's supply here in this stock. So I say, well, thank you very much for listening, and please read that newsletter. Are you trading harmony with the parent index? And I'll say on that, I'll say goodbye and hand you back to Peter.
Okay, folks, thanks for listening. And of course, as usual, it's your money, so your decisions always. And I'd like to thank you all, and we'll see you next time.